Hi, this is Kaylee Baker, and this is my course project presentation. My topic selection. For my course project, I chose to do the question as a female Florida dolphin in length longer than a male Florida dolphin. I chose to test this question due to my love for dolphins. My literature review. The literature I read and wrote about in my project is about dolphins that are the most common in Florida. The research shows that the male dolphin is 16 feet in length, which is longer than the female dolphin. Summary of data using descriptive statistics. My summary of data in statistics is that I found that out of 10 female dolphins and 10 male dolphins, that my n equals 20, while my mean was 7.4. Also, my standard deviation was 1.3, and my Q1 was 6.6, while my Q2 was 7.5. Within my research, I answered my question. Graphs and explanation. The explanation on my graphs would be: Graph 1 is the distribution property of the basic graph of no data and confidence intervals. Graph 2 is the test of hypothesis. The test of hypothesis to show the tested mean of 6.9 to show the actual mean. Graph 3 is the test of standard deviation of 1.3. Graph 4 is the test of the confidence interval. This is graph 1, this is graph 2, graph 3, and graph 4. Confidence intervals. My confidence intervals was 9.95, mean was 7.4, my lower CI was 6.8, and my upper CI of mean was 7.92. My standard deviation was 1.33. The lower CI of standard deviation was 1.5 and the upper was 1.8. Interpretation. My interpretation on my research project has involved a lot of researching about dolphins in Florida by the length and feet, but knowing my mean of 7.4. In my standard deviation of 1.3, I tested my hypothesis of 6.9 with a two-tailed graph. The probability was greater than the test of 1.6. My hypothesis test. My hypothesis test was 6.9 with the actual mean being 7.4, with a differential 19 and standard deviation of 1.3. My hypothesis test statistic came out to be 1.69. My test was also a two-tailed test. My conclusion. My conclusion on my research project is that my hypothesis to HA to HO would be that I cancel out my HO due to there being a significant amount of data in my test. That led to my conclusion of my research question being: is the female Florida dolphin longer in length to the male Florida dolphin? Which my test concluded that the male Florida dolphin is longer in length to the female. That was my research project. I hope you enjoyed it.